Well, good afternoon. Wednesday, March 19th, 2025, and it is about 1 o'clock in the p.m. afternoon. How y'all doing? Hope everybody's having a blessed day. This is Williams, Philippines. Boy, nothing like a good windy day. Uh, been coughing a bit because all the dust in the air. Sinuses are going crazy because all the dust in the air. Part of New Mexico is blowing from over there, heading back over that direction to Oklahoma. Definitely windy out there. Got a bunch of vehicles that ended up getting blowed over the last couple of week. We've had several very windy days, and this is another one. They had a fire happen yesterday that run a bunch of people out of one of the towns up north, and they all was down here getting rooms because they got evicted. Emergency evacuation. Get out while you can. Yeah, not a good thing. It happens. Boy, I just wish the wind wasn't blowing so bad that, I don't want to be outside. I had things planned for outside and, just going over and doing laundry Monday. The dust was up in the air and out. It's been up for about a week now where the wind's blowing pretty good and got dust everywhere. Wash my car, and what happens? Dust comes and sticks it everywhere. It is what it is. Anyway, gonna try to get some stuff loaded up into my car to carry over and give to somebody. I just wish it wasn't so windy out there. Like I say, my nose and lungs are not liking dusty weather. Uh, it is what it is. Anyway, let's see, what else was there? Caught a video talking about worst airlines and Pakistan. Oh, 2 years ago, a year ago. Uh, Apparently, they have very messed up airlines. Portugal, I think, was also on that list. Not ones that I would have thought, but yeah, didn't even know of them. So, but one of them they were talking about has like Philippines Air was at one time was on the list. Uh, yeah, and some of them have no compensation for when you do end up getting delayed, or one of them had, what was it, over a year to get compensated if the court decided you deserved it. Boy, doesn't sound like a good way to run an airline. We're going to take your money and then not fly you, not get you where you're going, and then not give you your money back. Yeah, unless the court says we have to. Sound like a scam to me. Uh, yeah. But what caught me was the surprise that Philippines Air had been on it. Five worst at one time had been on it. Now they're not. At least they don't, I don't think they still are. I think this was a list from 2 years ago or something like that. Statistic wise, they've improved. So keep going, get better. Yeah. I don't know. It was another one they were showing in Korean Air, Emirates, and or not, yeah, and Singapore Air. Yeah, several of them were on the top end, top 10. So yay. Korean Air wasn't the top, but I think it was Singapore Air. I've watched a few trying to figure out how to get things taken care of and what can and can't be taken. I'm tired. It's my Friday. Oh, it has been a long day already. I'm ready to call it a day and go to sleep. And yeah, the wind is howling. What else was there? Yeah, I done had a thought of a couple things to say and then forgot half of it. I just really want to curl up and sleep. So yeah. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Somebody mentioned that they lived in Texas for 15 years. Yeah, I've been here in Amarillo for 25 almost. This time, I've been in and out of Amarillo most of my life. I'm a Texan, and yeah, I don't mind being here in Texas, anywhere in Texas. Wasn't too partial to Dallas. Too much traffic. Same thing with Houston. Been down there, and roads are horrible. Same thing with Austin. Too much traffic. It's a hazard of being, having big cities. Uh, Getting on there and getting stuck. Of course, Atlanta and, well, LA, California, period. Horrible traffic out there. It's another reason I don't ever want to go back. Amarillo here, even on a bad day when we've got major construction going on and slowing down the highway, I 40, you can usually make it across Amarillo in under 20 minutes. 30 is, oh my gosh, the world's coming to an end. Oh, at that rate, I can get on the road and drive across town on surface roads and make it in 2025. So yeah, there's no reason to get stuck in Amarillo unless you're just stuck on the highway. And like I said, even then, 20, 25, 30 at the tops. And that's all the way across Amarillo. And that's 20 plus miles. So yeah, we got a bit of elbow room here. I've been, in and out of Amarillo most of my life. Kind of like it here. One of the reasons I'm kind of, I will miss Amarillo in Texas. But it's time for me to get around, moving around and visiting. I want some water. I want green instead of dry and dusty. Yeah, it'll be good to get over there. Trying to figure things out for flying over there, and tickets, yeah, it'll be under 1,000 uh, for the one from Dallas over. And then Southwest, I think it's 160 to Dallas uh, on the days that I'm looking at. 140, 160. And if I can get it lined up, I'm probably going to try to go to Dallas back in one day to sign some papers. I haven't flown in a long time. I'd really rather just drive down there and sign, but that's even more expensive than flying. It's pretty bad. Anyway, I'm trying to decide whether I want to combine the two trips in one and just make it an extra day, or, yeah, go ahead and just take a flight, come back, and then fly out when I'm ready to, and get on a plane and fly off to Cebu. Part of me likes that idea. The other part is, I can get it all done in one trip if I just add a day in between getting to Dallas and leaving Dallas. Trying to juggle the math. I'm going to get it figured out here shortly. Trying to do the three-ring circus as to this, that, and the other is so much fun. Anyway, William Williams, Philippines, please come along for the ride if you want to. I'm Fish, and Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye-bye.